Hello.
Hello.
I hope you didn't go too far. We are back. We're a shell of our former selves. We are distraught. We are in pain.
I need money for my chicken wings.
Yeah, the wifey needs money for her chicken wings. So can we at least win chicken wing money? Okay, chicken wing money right here, I feel. Yes? No chicken wing money. No money for our chicken wings. It's a scarcity of these rare gems. I know they are rare gems, but let's see. Okay, bet back. Those two tigers. That bonus at 10 cents was so sad. Oh, here. Optimism on any spin. You have to have it. Tigers. Okay, nines. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god, do it. Oh,
How do you know?
God. How do I know? That would have been a good one. Oh my god. And a line hit. I thought I was going to do it. So silly. So you wanted the triple boost. We did get it at Durango the other day. That was magical. Oh.
Durango.
Yeah, Durango. I told you Red Rock is a pit of sadness. It's a nice place. Those 3 coins are 3. I keep calling them coins, so they're gems. Maybe that's why, because I keep calling them gems. Beautiful gems. Beautiful gems. This blue one. Collect.
The blue one likes you, but it doesn't.
Not that much. It doesn't like me that much. And we need all 3 of them to cooperate. Last second blue. And no. 80 cents.
White.
Beautiful jackpot. You're so big. You're at the top of the mountain. Top of the mountain. Green. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, okay. That almost didn't line up. I want to see more of those triples. Okay. Please, and all that is. Okay. No. Is it gonna fake us out again? No, it faked us out the right way. The way that it usually does. Oh, that doesn't line up? That's crazy. We need gems more than poppers, more than line hits. Green. Is it gonna do it? Oh, we hate the music that you make. We hate the fake music that you make. But unless you do it again. Do it. I thought I did it. Yeah. What it's good at. Oh, yeah. That's probably why. Okay. All it takes is one spin to get a grand jackpot, but not if you're getting no gems at all. Can't even speak. 5 behind? Okay. 7 more spins. Just giving us a little bit of green. I can just wait 5 minutes, green. If you want to take your time, that's totally fine. Oh, they do it. That's trickery. That's thievery. I guess we don't appreciate it one bit. It knew all along that it was just going to whittle us down to one more bet. And here's that last bet. At least give us some kind of hope. Okay. Because even has 2 more bets, I should say. No gems. All sadness. Let's see.
Only sadness.
No gems, just sadness. What is this? One more.
Is it pops here?
That was so funny. It had its shot, but it didn't. It didn't take its shot. It didn't pop. Well, that is kind of how it goes usually. And we tried our best. This is the machine we sat on first and had $24 bets by accident. And looks like it didn't want to repay us at all. But we had fun, kind of. And we will try again whenever the world permits, whenever we feel like it. But a lot of pain in this video, but we'll try again next time. See you again. Bye.